To make a real drop shadow in Photoshop, first of all, make sure to cut out your subject. So here, as you can see, I've successfully cut out. And now double click on the layer, and here click on drop shadow, and here just drag, and as you can see, the shadow successfully added. And now all you have to need, if you want, you can change blend mode for the shadow. You can also change your shadow color from here. Now click on OK, and here, as you can see, the shadow has been successfully added. Now go to layer style, and here click on create layer, click on OK, and here your shadow will be create in a separate layer. And now all you have to need, select your shadow layer and press Ctrl T, and now you can change your shadow just like so. Now right click on your shadow and click on distort, and here you can change or rotate your shadow just like so.